how to pin TikTok videos. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am on my profile on my TikTok app and I already pinned two of my videos. So in this video I'll show you how to do that. So you just have to go on a video that you want to pin it. So click on it. I will go to this one, and then from here you want to click on those three dots from the right of the page next to comments, and then here you want to click on the third option from the bottom, which is pin. So click that. Now at the top they said pin to the top of the profile, and then let's go back, and here, as you can see, our video is pinned. I have also a draft right here, but the other accounts will not see those, and these three videos will be at the top of the page. So you can just pin only three videos that will be at the top of the page, and you can also go to another video, and if you pin that video, then it will change with another video. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can comment down below your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.